Hello, good people. It is Goldie, the CEO and founder of Four Brown Queens. And I just wanted to come on and talk about this lovely DAP tool, which is our dual tip all-purpose locking tool. And it is the first and only of its kind where it has multiple functions built into one tool, which helps you as the loctician, as the practitioner, to work smarter, not harder. We like to boast our hook tip, which can work well with small, medium, and larger locks. It looks deceptive, but this is a power tool. It can handle any size locks. Then we have a built-in utility tip, which was designed specifically for parting and or repair work. And recently we've had some of our customers demonstrate how they actually use the utility tip to take down locks, which is something that most of us don't want to do, but if you have to do it, you want a good tool. It's designed for those purposes, to help with clean parting and to get in there and do repair work. So you don't have to settle for the tip. You just flip it and you do what you need to do, and then you get right back to locking. So again, this is a patented tool. There is no other tool on the market like it. If you haven't tried it, we suggest you do so now. It's a great tool to have.